welcome to Rahma Palm Oil Company. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ayunda Rahma as accounting staff. Is there anything that I help?
Yes, I am. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahma. I'm from Food Lovers Company as Chief of Stock Product Marketing who wants to establish cooperation with your company. So, our company is engineered in food production, which requires ingredients for cooking oil that can help the processing of food that we will produce.
Well, thank you for your interest in corporation. I want to explanation our company profile.
Our company with the name Han Prana Palm Oil Company, which was established in 2030 right at address Jalan TB Simatupang number 6, is one of the plantation companies in Indonesia engaged in plantation and processing palm oil commodity product. HPO company itself processes palm oil from raw material into ready-to-use goods, namely in the form of cooking oil at affordable prices and produce is in an environmentally sustainable manner. Let me explain more detail for our company profile with vision and mission. Vision is to be an environmentally friendly company and prioritize customer satisfaction. Mission is to become a leading oil company in Indonesia with the best quality and not to compromise environmental safety. Product description service of Han Prana Palm Oil produces oil product in the form of kilos and bottle plastic packaging. Program human resource empowerment and making environmentally friendly products. Product expansion. For the time being, HPO company has begun to spread on several islands in Indonesia such as Java, Sumatra, and Kalimantan. Relationship is HPO company has cooperated with several companies engaged in the food sector and already has one of its subsidiaries located in Medan. Advertising. HPO company introduced its product to the public in several ways, namely through social media, TikTok, Instagram, and television, for supplying to large markets. HPO company already have a business license or SIUP or trading business license and already have an NPWP and have obtained permits from BPOM and MUI from the products produced. And award, HPO has Indonesian Creativity and Best Leader Awards 2028 and Top Online Grocery Tech Status Awards 2035 and certification ISO 9001 certification in 2020 and ISO 14001 certification in 2023 and receive S and Y certificate. Workplace and safety. HPO company also covers BPJS for health, work safety, death insurance, and all age insurance. HPO company has 20,135 employees in 2041 and testimonials from Ayunda company say that the product produced from HPO company have good quality and are very safe for all types of food.
Okay, what about partner or business units under the auspices of PBL company? Amusing from your exposure, I notice this is a large company.
Yes, this is one of a large company in Indonesia. HPO has one president director and 3 directors and 4 managers. And client portfolio is Indofood Success Makmur Company, Mayora Indah Company, and Dua Kelinci Company. And partners, HPO has in Auleged Plantation, which is located on the island of Sumatra, places in Pekanbaru, Riau, and several gardens in Kalimantan.
That is explanation about the business partner, and do you want to ask again?
In revenue optimization from marketing strategy, has PBL company experienced an economic or revenue crisis and how to overcome it?
This is financial graphic of HPO company or Han Prana Palm Oil Company in 2020. HPO makes a report on production result every month. At the beginning of the year, HPO produced a production of 5,000 kilograms. In February, experienced an increase of 3 billion. Then in the month of revenue of HPO gets stable production results. Entering April, HPO increased again by 1 million from March. In May, HPO increased by 4,000. In June, HPO company decreased by 3,000. This was because in that month there were many tools so that the company's performance experienced a decline. During July until September, production increases and decreases because in that month there are several gardens that are being replanted. Then, in October until December, HPO company experienced a peak production of 14,000 in October and December. This is because in December the occurrence of Eid al-Fitr and decrease in the month November is in the fasting month. HPO has experienced several decreases caused by several things as well. For example, in the fasting month, due to rising fuel prices for the distribution process, so our company has to calculate return purchases made in that month. If it does not provide large profits for the company, there is no need to these activities. In times of income crisis, the company also attract partner or the wider community by holding discount or an attractive promos and that can attract consumer to more aggressively choose our products over others without compromising quality and remain the highest quality products.
How about the company total that I have described? Is it clear?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. In my opinion, this is more than enough. Yes, explanation about your company profile. I guess I interested to compare with your company for the purpose of raw materials for our production, which is cooking oil. Very remarkable explanation.
Thank you for your cooperation. Hopefully this can strengthen our company's corporate relationship and see you.